my fault. Whoa. Holy crap.
You guys are crackhead.
You're
What the
fucking
hell are you guys
crackhead.
wearing dresses for?
Because we're gangster.
Why are you guys taking pictures in dresses? Wait.
It's a video.
Oh. like, I'm so freaking bored and hungry.
So go make some food.
What, Allie? It's starving.
Here, now Lonnie, come take our pictures.
What the hell? Is that the reason why you called me,
Like
Tori?
the movie. Like the movie. They're like.
I feel like wearing a dress.
You're just a hater, Lonnie.
Oops. I'm a hater. Why am I a hater? I'm gonna get oops.
There, the end.
Oh wait.
It's an end, bitch.
Attractive. Yeah.